I was scrolling online like you are doing now when I found this drone on Temu. I never had a drone before because I thought drones would be super expensive. But I got surprised how affordable this drone was, only $22. Then I looked down the description and it promised lots of sensors, dual camera with full HD and 50x zoom, wireless transmission, trajectory pointing flight, and nice customers' reviews. So I thought to myself, why not? Then I decided to give it a try and buy it. I'll unbox it, show you what's inside, and test it both indoors and outdoors to see if it's really worth the hype. Stick around for the final verdict and my honest opinion on this budget-friendly drone. This is what you will find inside. The foldable drone protected on this plastic that you can remove and unfold the 4 propellers. 2 batteries, remote control, propellant protectors, recharging cable, and manuals. First, you attach the propeller protectors. Then you add 3 batteries not included. Just push the left lever up one time and press the calibration button. Now you are ready to fly. When you first fly, it's best avoid doing inside your home, because you will certainly crash many times, but if you can't hold yourself, start in a big, empty room. Move furniture and fragile things away. Fly the drone low and slow. Practice taking off, hovering, and landing first. Watch your drone and keep it away from your pets to don't make them crazy. Now that you have a professional pilot confidence it's time to try higher flights. Just be careful, because with this drone, if you go too high, you may have to say goodbye and never see it again, at least not in this planet.
Bro, I bought a motherfucking drone off Temu, dog, and that shit ain't coming down, dog. That bitch is like 700,000 feet in the sky, bro. That bitch is not coming back, dog.
So go easy if you don't want loose your drone in your first flight. On my tests, each battery survived 8 minutes. Not 20, only 8 minutes. Forget the dual camera, 50 times zoom and trajectory point flight. This is bull. With 120 millimeter radio transmitter reach, you will also have to run chasing it when the strong winds blow it far away. My conclusion, does it worth the purchase? Yes and no. Yes, as a gift to your kids, or have the feeling and learn the basics of how to fly without the pain of destroying an expensive drone during this process. And no, if your expectation is to have a decent flight reach and image capture. Remember, guys, this is a cheap toy drone just for fun. We, as adult men, should always be responsible with our finances and never expend serious money with expensive toy things.
12 seconds later.